What if I told you that in less than 20 minutes, you could have your own professional website completely free, all with a free domain, free hosting, and even unlimited bandwidth? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it happen using InfinityFree hosting. Stick around. InfinityFree.com is one of the most reliable free hosting companies in the world. So right now we are going to go ahead and register new accounts. So follow me as I walk you through. So I'm going to sign up using Gmail. So I'll click on sign up with Gmail, and then I'll select the account which I'll be using. This is the normal process of signing in. So I have just created an account. You can see how it looks. Apart from this, if you look at this point here, you will see the features the free account offers. You can see even most of the hosting companies with paid accounts, these are the same thing that you will be offered with, or they will offer to you 5 GB disk space and the latest PHP version 8.3, free subdomains and all of that, even free SSL. So this website is actually very good for a starter. Like if you want to start, maybe you are new to web design or hosting, you can use this to start your process of hosting. So we'll go ahead now to continue with the creation of the account. So sorry, I want to take this thing off. So here is it. So we are going to create an account. You can see no account yet, so I'll click on create account. So we'll now select free, create free account. You can see it's 5 gig disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains. So I'll click on this. Please confirm that you are human. So we are going to verify this to show that we are human, not robots. So I will allow it to load up. I'll just click on it. Success. So now you can choose from the drop down here what you want to use as your domain. So I will prefer using let's say InfinityFree app. Okay, let me use this. So I'll just type here, this is just your domain or your subdomain. So you are going to, let's just check and see. Password. So I think I will have to choose password by myself. So I've just entered my password here. So in this place it says email consent. So I'll just click on it and click approve. I approve. So once that is done, you click your create account. So sorry, the password must only contain letters and numbers. Okay, please, I need you to hit that like button to help YouTube recommend my video to the right audience. Thank you. So I'll click create. It says I have entered a common use password. Choose a strong and unique password. Okay, let me change again. I wanted it to be simple. All right. So you can see it says account ID. It can take up to, you see, it has been created already. So it says website for innerdigitals.infinityfreeapp.com. You can see it. So this is it here. This is the information, but in this place it says it can take up to 72 hours for for new domains to be accessible everywhere. So you can see, but if we want to bypass this now, that's if we want to avoid waiting, we can actually go ahead to start configuring or setting up our website which we want to create. So in order to do that, I'll just go ahead and click on control panel. But apart from that, if you go to another browser now with VPN, if you connect to VPN, go to another browser and reload, you will see that this thing will no longer be there. So it will be activated within a few minutes. But let's not go there because we are not in a haste. Maybe later we can continue with that. But in order to go ahead with this, okay, because the video is already long, I think I have to end it here and then we'll make a new video. So if you find value in this, give me a thumbs up and let me know that you found value in this. So I'll end it here.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.